Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Name Brand Handbag rescue box from ThredUp. And a lot of you probably already know, but a Name Brand Handbag box is a box that ThredUp puts different brands, not luxury brands, but brands like Kate Spade, Coach, Michael Kors, those brand names, puts in those, and it's usually items that have a fault, or it could be items that didn't sell on their website. So here's the thing, I have not done one of these in so long. I am super excited to get going again. It's been forever. For a while I just was too busy. I had other things going on, and then I decided I'm just going to try it again. So yeah, so let's go ahead. And by the way, I should note here too, I am going to show, the next time I post a video, I'm going to show, I have been making earrings and handbags for, I upcycled bags for what was one local store is now two. I decided to no longer sell on a website because Google could not, it's a long story, but I decided I don't have the website to sell anymore. I only sell in local stores and on my YouTube channel. So that now you have that story. Anyway, let's go ahead with this Name Brand handbag box. It's giant. And you know, I'm hoping for a Tory Burch. You know I'm hoping for a Tory Burch. All right, big box came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. That's like the last, all of them basically that I've been getting. One piece of tape on this box is all we got. All right, let's see if that works. I'm super excited. Okay, before I get in, Name Brand handbag, you get 4 bags and 1 accessory. 4 bags and 1 accessory. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see. Yes, we've got Rescue Box Name Brand handbag. All right. Oh, of course, we have got the Michael Kors right on top. You always get at least, you know, well, that's not true, but Michael Kors is pretty common to get in these. All right, so one thing of note, one of the reasons I did start buying these again, it's frustrating when you get these boxes and you get all items that are not really sellable, and you can't sell them for much, if anything. Some of these I can turn into bracelets, necklaces, and earrings if they're too far gone. Only if they're too far gone. Otherwise, I will clean them up and sell them. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It's Michael Kors. Oh, wow. Usually it's the straps on these. Well, the straps are a little, yeah, the piping is gone. The edge coat is gone a little bit. But, I mean, look at, other than that, it looks amazing. It is absolutely gorgeous. The bottom is amazing. And the inside has a little bit of, not much though, not much staining. This is a great bag, really a great bag. I mean, look at this, you can't, I don't even see any stains in there. So this is great. And by the way, if you're interested in buying any of these, let me know. So there's the middle pocket. You can kind of see. Yeah, this is, I mean, the straps, let me give you an up close because I think the straps are the worst culprit here. They're pretty shaggy, but you could just easily paint over that. Trim off the, you know, trim off and then paint over it. That is not hard to do at all. Anyway, I like that. I'm pretty happy with that one. Okay. Oh, okay, wow. Okay, this is a Kate Spade. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a really, look at this bag. Hold on now, let me, it looks crinkly, but let's just get it. This is like a teal color. Look at this. Oh, wow. It's in good condition, it looks like, too. Let's look at the bottom and the back. Yeah, this one is nice. Here are the, all right, what about the handles? Oh, the handles are okay. There is a stain on the inside. I can probably get that out. I don't know, it looks like someone spilled some coffee in there. That's what it looks like. It's the beige lining. It's gorgeous. Like, you can see that stain. So that's probably why it came in one of these boxes. Now this bag, I must say, is one of the better Kate Spades I've gotten. I mean, I think this one is I think this one might do okay on eBay, or if you're interested in buying it. Teal is a really pretty color. So, okay, we've got the Michael Kors, we got the Kate Spade, because you always get those, it seems like, to me at least. Now we've got the accessory, which is the old token Kate Spade wallet. It's pink, light pink. It shows, like, it just looks like it has some wear. It's not dirty, per se. There are some light marks on it. But it's not like others where it was all stained or scratched up. It's in pretty good condition. It's an accordion one where you just zip around. Yeah, I like that one. I like that one. Pretty nice, actually. Like I said, if nothing else, I can always make it into something else. Okay, what do we have here now? This is a nice one. Ooh. Ooh. This is nice. This is a nice, it's Coach, which is odd to me. Usually, you know, you get the Coach bags in the Coach boxes. But look at this bag. Oh my heavens. Are you kidding? It's really heavy. Oh, wow. It's got this strap. It just clips on. Oh my gosh. Okay, very, very happy with this. This is a great bag. This will do really well. Wow. Oh, I like this a lot. There's the, I don't know why it's in this box, because this is in really good condition. And the inside is black. I can't see anything wrong with it, but I'm going to have to get a flashlight, but you can kind of, what's that? There is a stain. Now that looks like it will easily come out. I can't even believe this is huge. This bag is huge, and it's very, very nice. Wow. I'm not even a big, huge Coach fan, and I feel like I kind of want to keep this. There's the handles, there's the crossbody. This would be great for traveling. I'm super stoked about that bag. Super stoked. Now we have one left, and it's screaming, screaming Kate Spade. If it's not Kate Spade, I'll be shocked. Of course it is. It is. But it's Kate Spade Saffiano, and it is a really pretty bag. Look at this. That is really nice. I can see some stains on it. The handles are wonderful. Ooh, I love Kate Spade leather. Look at this. Look at this leather. It's so pretty. And it's the Saffiano. I'm going to try and show you. Let's see, there's like a mark right there. This one does not have, I'm afraid to look on the inside. It does have some marks on the outside. I'm going to try and get those out. Down here is a mark. Right here is a mark. So, I mean, yeah. Let's look on the inside. Okay, what's this? What? Okay. What? I don't know what that is. Okay. There's some marks in here, but otherwise, no, it's actually, I guess this is I don't know what this is. Kate Spade. I don't know what that is. Do you? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? All right, it's a diaper bag, that's why. Okay, that's the diaper pad where you would sit the little guy or gal. And there's the inside. It's clean. It's really pretty nice, I have to say. I am very, very pleasantly surprised. The bottom is kind of, you can see the bottom has some staining on it. But overall, okay, I must say, we've got, okay, the Kate Spade Saffiano diaper bag, really nice. I bet that one cost a pretty penny new. Same with this one here. You know, this Coach, I'm going to look and see if it's a factory bag, although, the bag, just because it's a factory bag doesn't mean much. I mean, the factory bag ones are nice too, but anyway, I don't think it is factory. It doesn't have an F on the serial number. That's gorgeous. That Coach one is a find, man. It's nice. Light pink Kate Spade wallet. We've got the teal Kate Spade Croco embossed bag. And last but not least, we've got the Michael Kors. And honestly, by now, I would think Michael Kors would be like, hey, maybe we should do something different with our handles, because the handles are always terrible on their bags. Sorry to say, Michael Kors, but it's true. Okay, anyway. All right. So if you're interested in buying any of those, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. By the way, I do have I have a Coach box coming up. I have designer boxes, fun boxes, and other boxes on the way. So I'm going to be doing more posting of the unboxings, because I love them and I miss them, to be honest. So have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.